Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can close your account permanently on Qwen AI in 2026. So let us guide you through this. For this method guys, you will need to access your account settings here on Qwen AI. If you don't know how to do this, navigate to your Qwen AI studio, log into your account, click into your profile icon in the bottom left and navigate to settings. Next, click into account here on the left hand side and you will see this button here under account management. Delete account. You may confirm the request by clicking into this button. And once that's done guys, remember that the account deletion can't be undone. All of your account contents, like for example your projects, chats, files you have uploaded to the conversation, all of that will be removed and it cannot be undone, as you can see. So I'm not going to click into that button. I would like to keep my account. But that's how it works guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.